plastering of the wall. So I know I have shared with you guys last time that they did start plastering on the inside of the house, which was part of the living room and part of the kitchen area as well. So as you guys can see right now, I've actually asked them if they could start here on the outside and then work their way going into the house, because I wanted to remove most of the stuff from the inside of the house, because I felt like the plastering is such a total mess. It's gonna go into some of the cabinets that I do have, some of the cushion, my sofa, my bed, and a lot more. Maybe I'll have to store some of it in my mom's store, who knows. I need to have some space. And it is a perfect timing because my mom's garage is already done and my carport right now is empty, so I can store a lot of stuff in there. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look of mom's garage. It is called carport or garage? Carport, because it's not attached to the house. You guys will be saying that's a carport, laundry. So yeah, that's how it looks. So everything that you guys can see from mom's carport is actually coming from the old house that I had. So the wood, the wall that they used was the corrugated roof that I had that was being blown away. So my carport, which is over here, it's already empty. So we're gonna get some of the big stuff in that house and put it over here. We are moving these away. I have here these ones, my prayer. I'll put them here for now. So I'll bring this TV over there. Maybe I'll put this, I don't know, look at that. It's got all dusty and everything. So we'll put them there.
I don't know how you can under your face without it falling.
Yeah, I know.
You're gonna separate.
Wait, just remove, no. Let's remove the one inside first, because that's very heavy. Wait.
No, this isn't heavy.
I don't want to say good here. Like that one is a big deal.
Yeah,
Huh?
like that.
Which way? This way?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, like this. You okay? That's heavy, I think. Are you gonna fit? Good. Good job. Okay, we're putting everything here in the carport, guys. Hopefully it's not gonna rain, but I think they should be fine here for now. You know? So we have the bed frame there, some of my comforter. I think my other cabinet is broken. We have another one here. That's my study table. Can still use that. The second bedroom is here. We'll just get a few of the items. I think this one is like okay to be here, Baba, no?
Get dirty as well. Good girl. Don't be afraid.
It's heavy though.
Come on. Look at her go.
So we have the workers helping us as well. So this one is quite a challenge because, you know, we have this cement over here and it broke. The other one broke earlier. Woo. Okay. Yeah, the one here inside. Yeah. There you go. This one is really big. Yeah.
The machine. 3 of them, 1 of me.
I know. Thanks, Baba.
I'm joking, it's light. I just take the light stuff.
Okay. There they are. Good. So we can see a bit of the house now. It's becoming spacious because we've removed some of it. So this one, don't know where should I store it. I don't want this one to get wet. These 3, we have 2 foams. This one as well. And here I do have my karaoke. My video case over here, look. Okay, this is how the carport is looking now. We have the luggages. You look so dirty now, Baba. So we're removing all of the luggages that I have. Papa is trying to arrange everything there. So it's safe to just put all the stuff here in the garage because it's enclosed with the gate anyway. Oh, right now it's getting really hot. Let's get inside.
Where you putting the door? You putting that to it?
We're putting the sofa out over there. It's quite a struggle because of the cements that we have. We have to put everything out. Look, it's super hot today. Papa is trying to still make sure that we could fit everything there. Not sure where should I put this one, but this is how it looks here in my bedroom for now. We still have a few items left, so we're gonna put this out. Well, you're so sweaty.
They're probably laughing at me because I'm sweating and thinking this guy's done nothing.
I know.
They're used to the heat.
I know. Look at this cabinet. I don't think this can be used, but we'll just have to remove this from the bedroom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people working on it. It's so heavy actually. It's really heavy. Yeah, it's broken now anyway. I'll have to say goodbye with this. Oh my gosh, that's so heavy. Yeah, it's falling everywhere. Look, we have to get rid of this. Just get it out of the room.
I told you it was broke.
Yeah, I know this one is broken already. Look, it's falling everywhere.
Everything was water damage, and
Yeah.
you're trying to save everything, but like even the bed frame's rusted and the things have snapped.
Yeah.
Look.
So look. Oh, it's opening on the side. Watch. What is this guy doing? Pouring some Red Horse.
It's the only way you get the job done.
I know. They truly deserve a Red Horse because that was a lot of lifting. Uy,
Who's gonna drink?
them. You give him as well. Uy. Red Horse.
Hot, you see.
Yeah.
You need something to cool down.
Yes. You're the pourer now.
Nice and cold.
Yeah. You're the pourer.
I know how it's done.
This guy.
What's his name?
William.
William. William.
William.
So William.
Papa as well.
Who's gonna say no to a cold beer after that?
Cheers.
MJ for being such a good videographer.
Yeah. Cheers.
Off you go.
No, I don't want that. Chug it. Chug, chug, chug. Alright guys, we have finally removed everything from the house. So right now, I want to show you guys inside. How does it look? Is it spacious or not? But anyway, if we look here in my carport area, this is where we put all of the stuff that I have inside my house. So cabinets, all of my bed frame, my sofa, everything is over there. So they're good there. And then right now they're actually working on the plastering of the front of the house. So that's how it looks for now. If you guys can see over there, they're working on the plastering. So this is now the inside of the house. So again, this area over here is going to be the extension of the living area. So it starts from there all the way here. Ta-da! All the way here. So now, actually, it looks really big. By the way, this one, I am still thinking if I should like knock it off and level these two. What do you guys think? Comment below if that's a good idea or not. Because if we look over here, we have here a window, right? And it is quite lower than the rest of the other windows that we have in the main house. This is an extension, but if we are going to level this ground with the same ground that we have in the main house before, it's gonna be a bit, I won't be able to. Yeah, that's right. So I don't know, we shall see what's the best idea. What do you think? Comment below. All right, now I'm gonna take you guys inside the second bedroom. This is how it looks. So if you guys can see, it is a bit spacious, I would have to say, and that's because we've extended a bit further in this side here, going out of the house. Before it was just pretty much over here. So this is nice. We can put the double bed here, and then we can still put one cabinet there, so at least we can store something out. Then here we have a window, so that's good. There's gonna be air coming in the house, I mean in this room. So before we also have the same window over here, but she has been telling me that it gets really hot. But in my room it was actually very cold. So I was thinking, should I have put the window over here because the wind is actually blowing that way? Not sure, but yeah, so far the second bedroom is looking good. It's okay. So now we'll proceed to my bedroom. It is over here. So this is my bedroom, everyone, and as you guys can see, it is spacious. Ta-da! It goes over here. So my door actually opens here, going like that. So when you open, it goes like this, and I am thinking to put the bed over here, like this is where the headboard, and then here maybe we'll put some cabinet, tables, whatever. Study table will be here, and we have this window over here as well, so that's good. We have some air coming into the house, and then I still have a lot of area in this side as well. So yeah, that's good. Right now, looking at it, it is a bit small, I would say, right? I'm not sure. It's small, but not small. I think I can really appreciate the total area of my room once they do the plastering, because right now it looks very, I don't know, it's weird. Okay, so that's my bedroom. Now, again, this is where my living area, and over here is my kitchen. So if you guys can see, they've plastered that already. And then my kitchen is gonna go all the way here. So I'm gonna talk to him and tell him about the plan for the countertop that starts here all the way here in this area, because that little area there will be a pantry, a little cabinet for our stuff. So yeah, we have some wall over here. I am actually thinking this is still a wall from here all the way going here. You can't appreciate it that much because of the foam, but this is where we're actually gonna put the entertainment section, I think, because this is the only wall that is a bit long all throughout the house, because before yeah, the door was here and it's just being transferred. So there's that. And then here in this area we have the door. So we've actually moved the door quite a bit. Before it was like over here, and we move it here, and yeah, it goes all the way there. We will have a terrace, a walk-in terrace, a little balcony in front, I'm sorry, at the back of the house. But that's going to be the last project. I just want to make sure first that everything is good. I have everything that I needed in the house before we do that, because that's not really a need, you know. Okay, here we have the, what is this? Our bathroom. I don't think I can open it, but yeah, can't give you a sneak peek. So this is the bathroom area. That is how it looks. Papa just locked everything so that no one can use it in the meantime. No one really uses it anyway. So we got 2 windows over there. So that is pretty much it, everyone. Actually, I really like walking from there all the way there, because it's like very open. It's very wide, and I love it like that. Anyway, that is pretty much it for my little update of the province house rebuild. So today's Monday. They're working on the front plastering. Maybe per day, they will be able to finish, you know, those part of the house. So maybe this is Monday, that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I think the only thing that will really take some time is the plastering of the bedrooms, because you have to plaster here on this side and you have to plaster here on the inside as well, so it's a double plastering. But yeah, so far everything's looking good. Quite happy. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.